welcome back to our channel. This is Sharon. How are you doing? This year, the time is still like flying. Can you believe it's already fall? I'm happy because I'm in Texas. It's time to say goodbye to the hot summer and enjoying our comfortable and beautiful fall season. So today, I'm gonna teach you how to do this gorgeous fall set with our Astound Beauty products. Let's get started. So here is almost everything that I'm gonna use in this video. The top base coat and 4 of our polygels are all come from the all-in-one polygel kit. And the leopard nail foil and the glue coming from our nail foil art kit. I'm putting the shopping link in the description below, so if you're interested, definitely check it out. I already put on the peelable base coat since I'm gonna take them off later. Now apply a thin layer of our gel base coat from the kit. And cure it under my LED lamp for 1 minute. Today, I'm still gonna do the lazy girl method because I want to do a quick set. I'm gonna starting from my pinky and then do it finger by finger to my thumb. At first, I want to create a triangle French tip, but apparently the pinky tip is very small, so it's not easy to do that. Then I changed my mind to create a side French tip. I just use my polygel brush to brush the polygel to one side of the nail tip to create a diagonal line. Then gently put it on my nail. Try to get rid of any air bubble and cure for 1 minute. Now I'm gonna go ahead and create a middle layer with a galaxy color polygel. Cure it for 30 seconds and then fill up the top part with the black color polygel. You can also choose cure every step for 30 seconds and give it a fully cure after the whole set is done, so you can save some time. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and work on my ring finger. This is gonna be an easy design. I'm just gonna create a very simple clear nail and then use the foil glue to transfer the leopard print to the nail. Now I'm gonna work on the middle finger. Just like the ring finger, I'm gonna use this apricot color to create a one color simple design for now. Place it on the nail bed and gently press down to get rid of any air bubble around the cuticle area, but always remember, do not press too hard. Use the brush with some slip solution to even off any bumpy area underneath the nail tip. This step is essential because you don't want to deal with any bumpy after you cure it, because you have to use e-file and a certain type of drill bits. That means a lot of hassle and you're gonna spend plenty time to get it done. On my index finger, I'm gonna create a French tip. So for the nail bed part, I'm gonna just use the apricot. I'm using my polygel brush to flat it off and create a natural curve on the top part. Now gently place it on my nail bed. It's supposed to be a little bit bigger than my actual natural nail bed area because I'm using an extra long nail tip. After cure, I'm gonna fill up the tip part with clear polygel. I'm trying to apply some of the polygel, the clear polygel, to overlay the apricot part to make sure the tips are very strong. Cure it on both sides for about 1 minute. See, the set is almost done and it's really fast. On my thumb, I'm gonna create a glitter and black ombre. First, create the tip part. I'm squeezing some of the glitter polygel on the very tip of the nail tip and use my polygel brush dip into a slip solution, gently pat it in place. Sometimes the glitter polygel could be sticky. That's because we want to make sure our glitter polygel is really shiny enough. If you ever use the glitter polygel from other brand, you can easily tell the difference. So we have to do a little bit sacrifice. The formula of the gel is a little bit sticky compared with our other solid color polygels. If you find out the glitter polygel is sticky, you can always use base coat to replace the slip solution. The result is pretty good. So next time if you have the same problem, please give a try. Now I'm squeezing some black polygel at the cuticle side of the tip and use my brush to blend in. Clean the underside of the nail tip. And also clean the cuticle area too. Just use the slip solution or alcohol to wipe off any excess polygel around the cuticle area. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do my foil transform. Here I'm gonna apply the foil glue on my ring finger, just like to apply the top coat, to make sure to cover the whole nail tip. Because if you missed any part, the foil will not stick on. Once you're satisfied, give it a fully cure for 1 minute. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply this leopard foil print on my tip. Just use your fingertip to press down, and at the edge of the tip you can use your nail tip to press it to the edge. Now I'm gonna lift the foil carefully to make sure all the print has been stick on. Here you go. It looks pretty cute. On my ring finger, I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna create a leopard print French tip. So I'm just apply the foil glue only on the French tip part of the nail, which means the clear part. After curing, place the leopard print foil on the nail tip. Press down and rub and rub. Only the place that I ever applied the foil glue will stick on the print. Let's see. Okay, I can see the curve. Here you go. Looks cute. On my middle finger, I'm gonna create some 3D flowers with my sandwich bag method. If you're not familiar with it, you can check it out in this video. So basically, I'm using a sandwich bag and squeeze some polygel into a corner of the sandwich bag and use it as a cake decorating bag. So you just cut a small hole at the corner of the sandwich bag so you can easily control the size of each bit when you create your 3D flowers. I squeeze a small bit for each petal and use my little brush to press at the center of the bit so that one petal is created. Then give it a flash cure for like 5 seconds. Repeat the same steps to create as many flowers as you like. Here's the final design for the middle finger. Last but not least, I'm adding the top coat to seal the foil print and add some shine to my nails. I like the outcome. Don't forget to apply cuticle oil after you're doing any nail sets. This small step will make sure your cuticle area get enough nurturing so it will not dry or have any little cuts, and your nails will be more healthy and beautiful. This is the final look. What do you think? I really like the outcome, and it's not difficult at all, right? I'm not a professional nail technician, so if I can do it, you can do it too. And you know what? It looks even prettier in the natural light. I really think this is a good design for the fall. I'll put all of the shopping link in the description below. Definitely check it out if you are interested. Please leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.